and today we're at Vauxhall Holiday Park. I'm going to show you around. Let's go. We're at the play park. I'm going to show you around. Let's go. There's a slide over here. Let's go down it, Dad.
Oh, go on in.
I'm going down the floor. Dad, so we at the bottom. So we at the bottom. Come on.
Oh.
Come down. I'm waiting. Are you?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Where?
Come down, Blue.
Wow! What's
We're
that?
going to do this.
Hey! What else is there, buddy?
There's a zip line. Now you trust me. I'm going to go down the park with the play park. Let's go. Just went swimming.
Awesome, Morgan. And what's in there?
There's a swimming pool, a baby pool, rapids, a little slide and a giant slide.
Awesome, mate. What's your favourite bit?
The giant slide. It
Awesome.
was really fast. I'm going to talk you around the arcade. Let's go.
Go in. Where have we got?
So we've got doors, we've got a mini subway, we've got these mini ones, we've got this machine, we've got more floors, we've got shapes, we've got ones at a time, we've got a giant crocodile, we've got Garfield, we've got a seagull holding a packet of crisps. We got Sparky's curry and a seagull again. Oh no, hot dog. What is it? And we've got TV machines. We've got hungry hippos in real life.
Keep going, buddy. Let's have a look.
We've got the shark tank. We've got popcorn. We've got frozen chicken. We've got honey and cheese. We've got the shark tank. That's a good game.
So,
You can win a giant axolotl.
wow. It's a big arcade, mate.
All the games are.
Wow.
There's more games that you can play. There's the Sonic Exchange, basketball, I'm really good at basketball, and there's our favourite game here, Minecraft Dungeons.
Yeah.
We've got football throw, we've got the cafe, we've got this game, we've got sports, we've got bowling, we've got air hockey, we've got volleyball,
Nice.
that's really cool arcades.
Big arcade?
Yep, giant. You get one, you have one. Not looking good. There's a second play park here. I'm going to show you around.
Hey, come on in. What we got?
We've got this thing that I was on.
Nice, motorbike. You want to go on the swing, Libby? Whoa. You want to go higher?
Yeah. Higher. Higher.
Hey. How's that, Libs?
Good. Libby, what do you want to do now?
Hey.
I did it right. I'm going to show you around. So, if you come up to here, you've got a Thunderbird fried chicken. Then we've got Cafe Pavilion. Then we've got the chippy. Yeah, of course, we can't stop having a pizza box.
Pizza.
The best bit. And then we've got a game junction. Where under that 10 o'clock and we go and just play that arcade thing.
Yeah.
Then you come back here, where you get the crepes.
Nice, lovely crepes, yeah.
Yeah, and you turn around over here.
What have we got?
So you come down here. We've got street eats.
Street eats. Normally, what do we get in there? Like burgers and things, isn't there?
Burgers and chips, not really healthy. We've got a Starter Resort.
Yeah.
And then we've got the Vauxhall Arena.
The Vauxhall Arena. Should we have a look inside the Vauxhall Arena?
Yeah.
Cool, let's go.
Let's see what we're going to do this morning.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to your Easter milkshake morning. Come on, girls, you got this. Come on. 2, 3. Oh, we've dropped an egg. We've dropped an egg. Okay, everybody.
I do say Simon says.
It looks like you've been to the Starland shop. Have you had a good time in the Starland shop? What do you say?
Where have we been, mate?
We've got our crepes and scoops.
Scoops, we've got our crepes. Yummy. Oh.
I need to bring.
Nice. Really good. Perfect. Right, have we all been through twice? I've had loads of people do that.
To kick into your fist, almost, but not a boom.
I made him
That was a
a
test run. You ready? Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Look at that. Aye, you are shooting lightning between your fingertips.
So Morgan, how has Vauxhall Holiday Park been?
Amazing.
Yeah? What's been your favourite part?
probably winning this teddy.
Yeah, you won that teddy in the arcade.
Yeah, we did it after the video.
We did it after we did the video in the arcade. You did good at hoverboarding,
Yes.
and it's a wipeout in the swimming pool.
Yes, and I love winning Libby that teddy because she really wanted it.
And you won Libby a teddy as well, right?
Yeah.
So we've had a fantastic time here. We've had 2 nights in our camper van. We've done loads of the activities. We didn't even get time to rent the pedal cars. We didn't even get time to play the golf. So there's definitely enough to keep you going for more than a weekend, isn't there, mate?
Yes.
Would you recommend Vauxhall Holiday Park to our listeners?
Yes, they'll love it and enjoy it like we did.
They definitely would. All right. And what do we say to our viewers?
See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And for those of you that don't know, Morgan absolutely loves being tickled.